Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Thorium Browser in your computer in a very simple way. The fastest Chromium-based browser available for Windows is Thorium Browser. So how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Thorium Browser. Simple. Click enter. And then we're going to get the first website. Click on that, and then here what you can do, you can simply download it for Linux, Mac OS, and different version over here. So I'm going to go for the Windows. Click on that, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out. Going to click on Thorium AVX2 mini installer exe. If you click on that, click on download, and then if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Simply minimize all of your background app and click yes. And as you can see, a Thorium browser is rightly open. So if you click on don't sign in right now and skip it, and if you just simply view it, it looks like properly like Google, but it's a different browser. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Thorium browser in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.